In this tutorial, I'd like to explain how you can open a PDF document in Microsoft Word. So here I've got a PDF document, and one of the disadvantages of PDF is that unless you have the professional version, you can't really edit the text, and it also has limited features in terms of text-to-speech that are built in, these sorts of things. So if you do have a PDF and you want to open it up in Word, you can do some extra editing and you can use some of the other features. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up Microsoft Word, and that PDF file is on my desktop. So I'm going to go to Open. So in Word, I go to Open, I go to Browse, and then I just go to the desktop where the PDF is. There it is there, and I'll open that up. Then I get the message that Word's going to convert the PDF to an editable Word document, and it might take a bit of time to do that. So I'll just say OK to that, and then let it do its work, its magic, and there we are. So now I've got that PDF which is in Word, and of course we can start editing it. You can use Dictate, we can go into View, and you could use Immersive Reader. You can use text-to-speech, so it really is a good way of taking a PDF document, converting it into Word, doing some editing and using all the built-in tools that Word has.